Jason Vyner. I am the President and CEO of New Haven Mortgage. We're here today to discuss the difference between contenders and pretenders. Number one, how long has your lender been in business? This is vitally important to understand the history and the experience your lender has, especially in volatile markets. How big is their mortgage fund? Is it a $10 million fund or is it a $240 million fund like New Haven Mortgage? Do we have the sustainability? It's critically important that you understand that your lender will not run out of money at the time of closing. And just as important, how many mortgages does your current lender do? Is it 1 a month, 5 a month, or up to 70, 75 a month like New Haven Mortgage? The capacity in which they do mortgages is very, very important. The volume is very, very important. How about your lender's mortgage fees and rates? Are they transparent? Do you have a matrix like New Haven Mortgage that you can count on? It's extremely important that you go into battle with your borrowers prepared for interest rates and fees. There should be no surprises when you present a borrower's disclosure to your borrowers. It's a waste of everybody's time at the end of the day. Know your lender, know their fees and rates. How embarrassing is that when you quote your client one thing only to show them the paperwork and it's another? Our rates and fees are publicly known to our brokers on a matrix form that you can rely on. There are no froms, there are no approximates. What you see is what you get. Transparency is the name of the game. Just as important, what happens at renewal time. Does your lender renew? Is it an automatic renewal? What is their process? Is it disclosed in the borrower's disclosure? At New Haven Mortgage, we disclose all our fees and renewal policies in our borrower's disclosure. It's critically important that you hold the borrower's hands throughout this time to navigate to maturity date and understand their client's position. How many times have you seen that your current lender says, no, we're out of funds, or sorry, we cannot renew for no reason at all? That is not of the institutional mind. As long as your clients are good payers, and even if they're not and they're having trouble refinancing, we work with your clients. We just don't shut the door on them. We'll extend our renewal terms as deemed fit. Provisions is something that nobody likes to talk about. They're inundating, they're usually 30 pages in length, and everybody just likes to see what is their rate that they are paying. It is extremely important that you look at the provisions, people. It's extremely important what your lender does within the provisions and the costs associated within those provisions. It could be detrimental to your borrower's pocketbook. Last but not least, what is your current lender's policies on arrears and power sales? Once again, as the good lender, we continue to work with your clients that are having and are experiencing trouble. We don't automatically go power of sale. We have case studies to show you how many good successful stories by keeping the people in their properties. It's very, very important. And finally, reputation. Reputation is everything in this business. You have to be able to trust your lender. Your reputation is at stake, not New Haven's, yours, the broker. So I'm very, very excited to roll out this limited series on the good lender. Please pay attention. It is vital for your success.